I am here to respond to some of you that have made a comment on my video. And I want to start by appreciating all of you that actually have time to watch the video. One thing you need to understand is that I am not the kind of person that likes to, make trouble with anybody. I air my own opinion because I feel that I can do that, and I don't see anything wrong with that. But if you're offended about it, I don't mean to hurt you at all. I actually want to contribute to make sure that things, start moving normal as it used to. But I cannot do it alone. You understand? What you need to understand is that I don't have any problem with anybody, not from finance minister or COS, information minister, whoever. I don't have any problem with anybody because you don't know me, I don't know you. And I don't want to build any problem with anybody. But that does not mean that I have to bring my head down for you to climb on me and say anything you want to say. Because I'm saying this because I have some comment that if you are following me here, you must have seen the post that I made that I'm going to make a video about those comments. The comment is not it's not that bad, but some of the comments came from some people that I actually trusted, that I felt that they are reasonable enough, abusing me, calling me names for no just reason. And I'm not going to make it that video anymore. I have decided not to make the video, but let it be first and last. On if you are good in abusing people, I can also abuse you. Do you understand? I can also abuse you, but please, I don't wait for that. If you disagree with me, let it be your own opinion. I must not agree with you, and I have said it time with that number here that I expect to have some few number of people that will hate me. I believe that having people that hate you is okay. It is part of the life. It is part of life we're living because you don't expect everybody to love you, to cherish you. But my concern is that people who love me outnumber those who hate me. Now, I get nothing with what is going on, whether party A, party B. I get nothing to that. Some of you are benefiting from that. I don't gain anything. So I can as well pretend that I don't know what to say. I just, bring the video and you watch and go. Do you understand? But telling our people the truth is very, very important. So that one aside. Now, I want us to think back on what happened before in 2013, 2014, 15, 16 down. Some of us joined this movement, you know, I'm talking about you. I don't know when you joined. Some of you came after COVID, before COVID. You started from day one, following Master Monicano. It's okay. But let us go back then. For you to know that our people are fond of what is going on now. Dragging post and eyeing position. When you hear that people are praising your leader, like Master Monicano then, PM as well, you feel like it should be me. I'm what can he offer that I cannot offer? I have what it takes. I'm a man like him. Do you understand? It's a very big problem. There are some people that followed Master Monicano then that are no longer they stop following him. And when you check their problem they had with Master Monicano, it's all about the same thing going on now. Why must it be him? Why not me? Jealousness, envy, and some people may call it sabotage. All right. To me, after seeing those things then, and what happened 2021, another followed up now with PM. You want me to, when I see something, that symptom again coming, I should pretend that all is well. Oh, this person is. No, that's not how you work. Most of these people that we are seeing today shouting, they were not there. They don't know those things. That's not the fact. There's a man called Imam Mesu. Imam Mesu was very, very, close to Master Khan. In fact, Barrister Imam Mesu, he always joined him on his live program. Then, when Radio Biafra, when they have app, some of you may not know this. Radio Biafra, we used to listen to Radio Biafra with Radio Biafran app. Yes, app. You download it on your phone or your laptop. You can listen to Radio Biafra. They have different channels that you can watch this. Then YouTube was not all that rampant. People are bro. People were listen to the Radio Biafra. Master Makano preaching through radio then. But people follow that app. Now, Imam Mesu always come up to, join Master Ghana and, support him 7 p.m. different time. Then, every day. No, not every day. Sometimes maybe Master Ghana may have program. There was a time he was doing it every day actually. Then he started making it few days in a week. That man, what happened? Immediately after the arrest of Master Khan in 2015, okay, he disappeared. Because of what? Dragging. Now he's not here. I am the one to talk. I need to occupy his position. Thank God he's not here. You know that kind of mindset. It is very common in our land. Not only I'm just singled mention him. He's not the only one. No. Some actually hate the way people called Master Khan Ohamadike. Why must he be called Ohamadike when I'm here? This young man, this small boy. What can he offer that I don't have? I can offer better than him. Is it to talk? I can also talk. They started blackmailing him that he's siphoning people. That money that the people are contributing is going to his purse and all that. That is exactly what PM passed through. The same thing. Then there was a time Master said that whatever you yap about me, after you talk and talk and talk, you go and rest. That he gives you a few days to die off. And that was what happened those times. Anybody that come, that appears on his way, you rant and rant and rant to die off. The only one that actually is trying to last, but he did not come fully on Master Khan. He attacked him, season after season. Not that everyday job was done in Nade. Then PM actually dealt with him. Most of you have seen the video where Master Khan, appreciate PM because of that. So the video is there. There's another person they called Omyomyo. I can go on and on and mention a lot of names. They have come and gone. They passed through the same thing. And all of them did not succeed. Now, down to PM, because from Master to PM, right? During the time of PM now, all of you witnessed it, how DOS were calling him names. Even at this present time, he's the agent of Nigeria. And the same, just imagine this. Matured men gathered together. The same they did to Master Makam, but in a different idea, because as day goes by, they are modernizing the attack and the propaganda. During the time of Master Makano, they were doing it like a rumor. They don't have the courage to come out and say it to Master Makano in his presence. But Master Makano actually know all those things. Some of their audio were sent to him, and he decided to part way with them. But during the time of PM, they're not afraid. They come up, openly and start attacking him. That is from DOS. Then PM, use his wisdom and navigate his way from them. For you to have our people support, forget about few people clapping and telling you right on Mars. For you to be respected, because I know that is what all of you want. All of you want how Master Kano is well respected in Igbo land, and how people respect PM lately. All this thing is what all of you want. But not whether you join COS or not, all of you have this mentality of, I want to be organized. I want my name to be in the lips of everybody. When my name is being mentioned in Igbo land or in Biafra land, every head will bow. That is what you guys anticipate. But you ignore the thing that you need to do to give you that command and privilege for your name to be in the lips of everybody. Do what is good for people. protect people, talk like a man. When you are needed to say something, say it the way you're supposed to say it and be man enough to own it. If you are doing those things and you are doing it diligently with the trust and love, without having ulterior motive to siphon and to make people, Biafran actually will follow you. They will dictate how good you are. Leave them to find out by themselves. Don't force yourself on them. If you keep on forcing yourself, because and now I'm saying forcing yourself on them, some of you say, oh, CS is forcing herself on you. That's your opinion. But what I'm trying to say is this. If you want your people to know that you are really, ready to do the thing that you're supposed to do, show them by your action. For example, PM stopped posting and disappeared on social media. Many people were kind of like me. I was refreshing my Twitter to see what he said and what he posted. I did not say anything. I don't have anybody to call. I don't have any contact to make inquiry. I just kept quiet, waiting. Then other people followed suit. Started asking questions. Where is PM? Where is PM? Then all these people that want their name to be in the lips of everybody today. I am this, I am that, I am here, I am there. They're all of them off their mic. These men, those men that are saying that the women can't lead me, being a woman is this, they're off their mic. Until somebody came up in the name of COS, Chief of Staff, she came up and addressed Biafran in a thunderous voice. All of you heard that. People were still celebrating that now the Ekperima is no more. His own he's a gunner, he's bye-bye. As they were celebrating, CS made that broadcast. Everywhere started shaking again. Guess what? Then shift the file of propaganda and attack and blackmailing. They not only moved it from PM, who they were criticizing, to the lady immediately. Surprise, surprise. We started seeing some of you that are supposed to back her. And most of you that are calling her name today, I keep on saying, Sana Padawa, why I'm mentioning your name is because, like I said in the previous video, I hold you in a high esteem, but you may not know that. The way I see you before now, I thought that you are there. You are a man of your word. You are a man of few words. Action speak. I thought you have actually digested a lot of knowledge from PM because I felt that you are very close to him because how you started and everything. If other people are calling COS name, like Madam, we must bow that you are calling her now, I find whether she's right or wrong, you don't do that on a woman. You don't do that on a woman because even though you have different idea, you're a man for crying out loud. At least let your action move before your words as a man. Then Biafran are not sleeping. Our people are so eager for freedom, so desperate to be free, whether traditionalist or Christian, whoever, as a Biafran, as a woman, they are all key in for free. They're not talking does not mean they're not interested. They are highly interested. And now, if you think you have that thing that they want, don't forget that. Don't count the number of people following you. Keep on that action. We have seen people, how Fulani people are, according to Nigerian news, went to somewhere in harmful. As you guys are making this make caricature of each other on social media, Fulani is somewhere in Enugu State. They bad farmer. As somebody who claimed that I am the CEO, PM is my boss. I am chief of staff. I am minister of this. I'm deputy of this. All of you refuse to make order like PM normally do to do something about it. If you did, I don't know. I'm using that because I have not seen anything on social media. And I expect that thing from people, most of you that are claiming that only you have contact of men on ground, right? What has happened? They are now marching everywhere. doing all the, and you guys kept your own strength now is to antagonize a woman so that you can be man enough. Is that I'm not here to defend anybody, like I said, but when I listen to some of you, I felt so disappointed because I hold you in a high esteem. I have other people to call their names, but you is the one I expected a lot from. I'm saying it out of love. You may disagree with me. You may call me names, of course, like most of you are not doing, like talking like market women. Everybody's orchis. You are calling people names, mugus. In just few days. In just few days. This is not about you, but let it go to every other people who actually want to be famous. You want people to recognize you. You want to be known in Biafra land. You want to be special. Are you ready to do that thing that will make you special? That's the reason why I keep on saying that the only Master American and PM are freedom fighters, activists, and both of them now have been held. So I have not seen any other person. COS is on her way building her reputation. She's not there yet. She's not there yet. I can't call her now and say that she's. I can't start now and say. I can't start now to tell you that she's like PM. No. She has to earn it. She has to upgrade that to that certain level. And I'm seeing the attribute in her, because if not, now we are hearing kepu that some people have actually started suing her in US and reporting her own. I don't know if that is true. But when you are hearing that kind of thing, it simply means that she's doing the right thing. Like Madam said in the past, remember, I don't promote violence. What I'm doing is to remind our people, those of you who have interest in becoming, you want to become something, you want to be known, like I always say, you want to be your name to be heard, you want to be like Mazan Gano, you want to command respect. There's some work that you need to do before then. It doesn't matter how long your article or your post is. It can't use that to end that. Go and ask a mega gift and Ima Powerful. They are all making press release. Let them go and check their value in our land. And it's not about propaganda. People in US used to do that. That is where they fed woefully. Ask yourself, why is it that it was so easy for Biafrans to follow PM than multitudes in US? At the beginning, they outnumber PM in every ramification. The only thing that PM used and lock them and pilot them, keep them, limit them in everything is wisdom and action. People started, one man started, he started talking like a man, putting action where he's supposed to put action. And Biafrans started, he did not bribe anybody. You see all this, I bribe you, follow me, you comment about me, you can never ever earn it with that methodology. Some of you think, I've seen some people, some women who's supposed to appreciate their womanhood, they're actually attacking COS, their fellow women, and calling her name, in line with people who despise her for being a woman. So this is crazy, right? Very crazy. She's a government agent, like most of you said on my comment section, that she's a government agent. I have told you this is my WhatsApp number. I'm not displaying my WhatsApp number here. I'm just telling what I told somebody on the comment section. This is my WhatsApp number. Message me that thing, and I will post it here on my platform to prove to you that I don't side anybody. That was why I post Commander Holy Ghost, what his own thoughts, because here is not to paint one party black and paint another one white, but to bring it to the understanding of Biafrans, to know, to connect dots. How can you be a friend of somebody who hates PM and you are shouting PM is my leader? Come on, make it to make sense, please. Anyway, I have other things to say, but I'm working on the minutes of the video so that it'll be easy for people to watch and let me know your own take on that. Thank you so much and see you again. Please remain blessed.